Wow. It's not often I hug our customers, but I'll hug her.
Wow.
This is my kind of lady. She was in for an adventure no matter what.
Good morning. So we have found ourselves in the Dragoon Mountains. If you know the Dragoons, you know that sign. We got a lady that's headed out that trail with her Rav4. I believe there's a hiking trail out there that she was working on getting to. There's also a mine at the end of that road, and she's got herself off the side of the road a little bit, so she needs our assistance to get her back up on the road. She's pretty confident the vehicle will drive once we get it out. So we're headed out to get her back up on the road. We're just sitting here at the T where we agreed to meet. She's on her way with a friend in a Jeep Wrangler. They're gonna follow us out, and let's go see what kind of trouble we can get in.
Now, I'll be honest with you, when I spot an old mine at it that's this easy to get into, there's just no way I'm driving past it. I had to throw it in reverse and go see what was hiding inside this one.
All right, well, we're up here on top of the Dragoon Mountain, and they forgot the key, so they went back for the key, and we're out scouting for the vehicle. All right, well, we're going that way. All right, well, we parked at the last spot that I know I can turn around. So there's a mine back here. That's what the road was originally for. Somewhere back here is a Rav4.
Hey, have a nice trip.
Yeah, I'm going to.
Look at the angles of these rocks pushing up from the ground. Like that's a pretty steep angle that the ground had to push up and force that.
Yeah.
Really interesting geography.
Yeah, this is tailings.
Cables and
some metal there. This is a potential slide area right here, because this rock's not real stable, right?
Yeah.
She didn't choose to stop there. She kept going. This might be all the further I go.
But how did she get it?
Drove over bushes. There's a car there. There's width here, but it's straight bushwhacking. I can keep the tires up there, but it's straight bushwhacking. We need a chainsaw.
That's where she stopped because she didn't have.
This is where she stopped. Don't touch it. Don't.
Oh no, I'm not touching it. It's got like 2 inches of rock on the other side holding it up. Wow. Not often I hug our customers, but I'll hug her.
Wow.
This is my kind of lady. She was in for an adventure no matter what. Did she do this at night?
Was it at night? Oh, I got a shaft over here. All right, here we go for the rock test. Oof. So we're standing on a tailing pile, and she's on part of a tailing pile over there. I don't know that she was gonna go another 3 feet. Well, we don't get paid if we don't get it out, so we got to figure this one out. All right, there it is. What do you think? Huey, Blackhawk, Chinook, which one?
I think this one's a Chinook job.
Chinook?
Sure.
Yeah, it's a little light though. We might be able to get it with the Blackhawk. I don't think I got to get that close.
No, you don't gotta get that close. You just gotta get to here, I think, to do the first.
I was looking at how the wheels are laying. I think if I can get like a snatch block on a tree, like run a long line.
Pull it sideways a little bit as you pull back. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Even if that means what we do is we put a tree saver around that to bring the snatch block out to here, so it's, you know,
Right.
it's just at a little
Just
bit
to
of
give
an
it
angle.
an angle to pull back and in. I think you're on the right track.
Okay, we walked out and we scouted it, and what we have discovered is we have one very, very, very brave customer who was willing to go out there, bless her heart. So we were waiting for them to go get the key, and they're just showing up. They're showing up here now. We saved you the good parking spot.
There you go.
You're one badass lady. That was impressive.
Was it?
It was the daytime.
Okay.
Because I'd seen all of this, I figured the road goes through.
It does. It
Yeah,
does
it
very
does
much look like it goes, but in like 100 feet, it is done.
And so then I was trying to avoid sliding down that gravel.
What do they call that? A reduced undergarment service life moment?
Yeah.
Yes.
So I stuck it farther than anybody so far.
Yeah. Yeah, you got the high score, girl.
I don't think anyone's going to beat your location ever. The road coming in is not great. I'm impressed you got the Rav4 here in the first place. And then your bravery to go that far, I mean, I don't know. Yeah, right, this is where she should have turned around, right here.
I can see why you thought it was just a little overgrown. You getting your landscaper's license?
Yep.
Make a straight line for the,
Trying to clear out these. Got some.
Wow, look at the thorns on that. Woo-wee.
Yeah, trying to clear for the line.
Well, the problem with that is it's going to make it look like it does go somewhere. Someone else is going to come back here.
Not my problem. Yet.
One eternity later.
Well, let's see. So the car's there. And Carl backed up into this really tight spot here. And he's just trying to clear enough room that he can get around the truck so we can rig it up and pull it out.
We're gonna need to figure out how to get that left line to this tree. See these two kind of semi-dead branches? In between them, if you can come on the ground, then I can probably fish it the rest of the way. I mean, it's not nice. You're still gonna have to be bushwhacking a little. I'm gonna get tension on it first. All right, we gotta pause there for a second. I gotta take the sideline pull off, otherwise we're gonna run over it. passenger, we want to make it straight. All right, let up the brake. You're gonna come over a pipe and then you're gonna want to stop it and rolling again. More passenger. More. Yeah, I like it. All right, can you get out there? All right, let's go ahead and put it in park. Start it up and back it up a little bit. Don't turn the wheel at all, you're perfect, just come on back. Looking good, looking good, looking good, keep coming. Come on, that's good. Go ahead and put it in park. Well, we're not out yet, but we've got it recovered, and we're putting the toys away. Then we're gonna get the tow truck out of the way, and then walk back here and spot getting this turned around, and work on getting off the hill. All right, so got the tow truck out of the way, come back down. I think we might let Christina do the honors because she might be a little shell-shocked up there. They're starting talking about they don't think they can get it out of here. So we can move back forward and we can do a tighter turn into the trees. Or you can come back this way, do a turn into the trees.
Go forward, back into the trees.
Okay. Go ahead and get it, starting it up. Nice and slow back. We're just getting you back into the bushes now. A little more, you're gonna crunch some trees. Right there. A little more, a little more, a little more. Hold it there. All right, nice and slow back. A little more. Good. Come on forward, you got about 4 feet. Right there, come on back. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Good. Nice and easy for easy forward. Easy forward. Watch this tree, this side. You're good, come on. Nah, I'd say it turned out all right.
All kinds of fun to watch.
All right, well, we got the 4Runner out. We got them on their way, and we decided to make a run over Tombstone. So came over here, visited Big Nose Kate's, grabbed a burger. We actually ran into an old customer. The bartender at Big Nose Kate's, apparently, I pulled him out about a year ago. So it was nice to run into him and see an old friend. So here we are, Tombstone, waiting for the next call. Another successful recovery, Wild West Off-Road Recovery. Thank you for watching. Like and share. You guys know the drill. More videos are coming soon. Thanks for watching. Oh, there's a little mouse back here with this little mouse home.
Holy shit. This lady is ballsy.
Okay, can she be my grandma?